afternoon everyone, I hope you're all well. Okay, so this afternoon we're going to be planting new potatoes, first earlies, which are due to go in now. They've been chitting for a while, so the eyes have now grown. We've got pre-dug trenches here that have a depth of up to 6 inches, and on the bottom we've lined it with goat manure. We've used goat manure purely because it's really good at holding moisture and is good for the potato. Okay, this is the potato. You want to plant it with the eyes facing up, okay? Any that are at the bottom, just rub It's important to rub off the eyes, because if you have too many eyes, you'll have too many sprouts and potatoes will be competing with each other. So you plant the potato in, okay, and then you leave roughly 12 inches between each one. So we're just planting the last of the potatoes in this row. Okay, and then what you do is you just cover the potatoes, leaving a small mound really above it.